It was a very exciting day today. We got to haul one of our own boats on our own ways. It's always just a little nerve-wracking hauling a boat on the ways for the first time. We have been working very hard for several months, chipping and painting, oiling and greasing, replacing parts, and getting these ways restored. We had a very good crew assembled, but this was our first time. We had to develop a system. The Marine Railway is a great system to haul these traditional boats. They were built to be hauled this way. The boat sits on its keel, which is long and straight, and that is kept in balance by arms. These adjustable arms used to have wedges, so you would have to adjust the arms just before you hauled the boat and then slide the wedges in. One of the upgrades we made to the ways was these adjustable jack screws. These adjustable pads are a lot easier to use and a lot more versatile. One of the volunteers that was instrumental in helping us restore the ways and learn how to operate them was John Manoff. John and his father Greg Manoff have been leading the Sea Scout program here in Stockton for years, and they have hauled their boats on these ways before. So Tag, you're it, John. You're running the winch.
Perfect. All right, I'm going to relax the gear.
You need to put it neutral, yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. Perfect.
Now, one of my only horror stories of this yard, we were lifting the, kind of trying to jack the back end of the boat around. We had a railroad tie for a timber with a 20 or 40 ton bottle jack on it. And we were jacking on it so hard that the concrete, that the area where it's in the water all the time and the tidal area,
That's how that got broken.
we just heard clunk, and that timber passed my nose, just flew by. God's down there, if you weren't 18 years old, I'd kill you right now. You know?
The Maritime Preservation Trust, keeping our maritime heritage the arts and the crafts alive.